Hi, I'm Mason Dugacek, and even though I live in St. Louis, Missouri, my online marketing ideas and social media training can be used by business owners and social media consultants everywhere. People have been asking me about how they should write their content for the highest rankings in Google and other key search engines. The answer may be more simple than you think. My friend Adam Kreitman once told me that people should create content for human beings first and then the search engines later. In other words, answer people's questions and solve their problems as if they were standing in front of you and you were having a conversation with them. Then find out ways to go back and include keyword phrases that people are searching for online. When you keep those two priorities in order, then your viral marketing, Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, YouTube marketing, and other social media for business strategies will become much more effective. When you don't, your online marketing performance will suffer because of it.